working on 2012 Ford Escape. Customer came in with this issue. Source doesn't do anything. Okay, so it has no audio, nothing on it, and a lot of times these panels do not respond. And sometimes if I use this, sometimes it changes. Most of the time it doesn't work. The touch panel doesn't work. Nothing really works. So we're going to take the radio out. We're going to find out what the trouble is. Right, so you're going to need 2 tools, 7 mils, and a panel popper. Start from this one corner. You can lift up a little bit and gradually pop out the top strip panel. Actually, go forward. Okay, so once you have that up, there are 2 7 mils here, one on each side. I'm going to take that out, and this panel comes out. So remove the 2 7 mils from the top, and this whole panel comes out like that. You can disconnect that. There are 2 components on this. One is a tuner pack, the other one is display with the sync module. There are issues with tuner pack for audio trouble. There are issues with the sync module, which is this box here that locks up the display. So since she has no audio and also the control panel doesn't work, she may have 2 defective components here. So first thing we're going to do is we do have a test sync module and the tuner pack. I'm going to put the new radio box in to see if we can get the audio back. Move forward, disconnect the harnesses. Getting us. We have a test radio.
Wait. You are closing this. Just take your time.
This is my test sync module. It takes time to boot up. Got antenna, right? So I put my unit, original deck. Have an antenna. So we replaced the sync module that I had for test jig. Also the audio didn't work, so we replaced that tuner pack. But my donor unit has a defective CD player, so we swapped out the CD from original one, which does work. So we do have to replace that mounting bracket that was different than original one. We simply took out from old one to new unit. So as you can hear, the audio works. Right. Everything seems to be working. Everything got together. Before, the touch panel didn't respond and had no audio. And now everything seems to be working. This, you gotta put the air vent. That has the plug.
Yeah. Okay, it works. It's just okay.